Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I'm bringing you another hair tutorial, and for today's hair tutorial I'm going to show you a product that is going to moisturize and define your natural curls, and it's going to have a lot of bounce and movement. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Let's jump into it. So I'm going to be using Kurlee Belle's Curl Defining Cream and their Jelly Coconut Styling Gel for my wash and go today. I washed and conditioned, shampooed and conditioned my hair with Pattern products by Tracy Ellis Ross. So this is my hair just towel dry just a little bit. I will be re-moisturizing it with some water in my spritz bottle. But here's what the curling cream looks like, or defining cream, excuse me. It smells really good and it has a nice slip to it, and I'm just going to rub that in from, sometimes I go root to end and then other times I go into root, however you feel. Just make sure it's plenty of product in your hair, and I'm just going to spray it and saturate it with some more water, and then I'm just going to use a detangling brush to just get that product worked all the way through all the strands of hair, and then I'll go in with the styling gel. Now here's what the styling gel looks like. It's clear. It does not flake up once it dries, which is a really good thing, because I know there are definitely products out there on the market that will cause it to flake up in your hair once it's dry, but I did not experience any of that for the entire week that I had this product in my hair. So that's a really good thing. And this product also smells really, really good. What I will say about their styling gel is that it does not cause the hair to get hard and crunch up. Sometimes I actually do want that because it maintains the curl definition and moisture a little longer in my experience with my hair. But I will say that this product does not leave your hair crunchy or hard whatsoever, no matter how much. There were sections I intentionally put more gel in and still no hardness, no crunchiness or any of that. So if you're looking for a product that does not do that, then this might be a great option for you. And here's a little closer look at those curls and how it's coming along. And I like to do the shingling method, where I just separate my curls as I'm applying the product. So I just kind of like rub it through and then just, break off separate pieces of hair that are already like clumped together and just let it dry in those curls. So nonetheless, this is the last section I'm gonna do before I just diffuse my hair slightly, just so you guys can get a feel for what it's gonna look like in a more dry state. And I'm also going to show you guys what my hair looks like without any product after it's dry as well, so you can kind of get a feel for what this product is actually doing for my curls. And here's a closer look at just some of my curls right after putting the product in. So they're nice and moisturized and they are elongated. Of course, we know as curly girls that doesn't last for too long because of shrinkage. But yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like with the product in it and dry, and then without it. So now I'm just going to continue putting the product in the rest of my hair. And like I said, I'm just going to use my spray bottle to re-moisturize the side that doesn't have any product in it. And then I'm just going to apply the Kurlee Belle products, and I'll show you guys the final look. Here's another close-up for you guys on this side of my hair. As you can see, my curls are nice and moisturized. The one side is not dry at all, and the other side is only partially dry. So I'm gonna diffuse it so that both are about 85% dry, and come back and show you guys. So here's what it's looking like after I diffuse my hair. So it's about evenly dry, and you can see it has a lot of movement, a lot of bounce to it. The curls are in nice clusters but still separate, so they move on their own. And then, like I said, my curls are super moisturized. I'm loving that. And I would say this wash and go lasted me with this product about 3 days. I just pineapple my hair at night, and that's it. Alright, so please let me know what you guys think of this hair tutorial down in the comment section down below. Let me know if you guys have tried Kurlee Belle products, whether it's these products or some of their other ones. I'm like curious to try a few more out. I usually start off with either shampoo and conditioner or their styling wash and go products. So with this company, I decided to try their wash and go products, and as you guys can see, I am loving it. My hair is like, I would say 80%, 85% dry already, and it still has a nice stretch to it. curls are defined, looking juicy and moisturized. So I am loving Kurlee Belle, not only because it's a great quality product, but it's also Black owned, okay? So products made for us, by us, I'm in full support of, especially if they are good quality products, and this one is. So let me know if you guys have tried the products out or if you're going to, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you like this video, you already know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next awesome video. Thanks for watching.